Hello, good people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Andy Sam. So today I am in Riara bringing to you this luxurious and spacious 3-bedroom apartment for rent. So I'll be taking us through, and to start with, this house comes with this huge balcony with some flowers. Those flowers are coming in the house, and it has a very spacious sitting and dining area, which is with a very good natural lighting. And this house comes with same open plan kitchen. It has a provision for the kitchen extractor if you need one. So it has a pantry and laundry area, and also this house is coming with a swimming pool, which is well kept and maintained. So it is also coming with this servant quarter. If you have a house help, that's where they can spend, and it is self-contained as well. So guys, let's proceed and have a look at the other rooms, which are the bedrooms. Okay, that's just an overview of the kitchen. Let's have a look at this is the shared washroom and bathroom for the two rooms. So that is the shared. You have a master and two rooms sharing. Let's have a look at the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. It has a good natural lighting as well. As you can see, it has a nice view and good storage as well. Okay. So let's proceed to the second bedroom. That is our second bedroom with the good natural lighting as well, and it has a good view as well. This place has really green trees. Now let's proceed to the master bedroom. Wow, this master bedroom, it has also a huge window with a good view as well, and good natural lighting. And it also comes with a walk-in closet and this wallpaper, which is subject to be removed if the client is not interested, but it's very beautiful. It has a walk-in closet and enough storage. This is the master bedroom. You see, it has a good walk-in, and then it also have bathtub and shower. So you can use both the shower and also you can use the bathtub. Thank you for watching, guys. Kindly subscribe.